Good day. Today I will give you some information, or I will discuss the importance of Java encapsulation. So here are some points that we need to remember, or what we should expect uh, when we use the uh, Java encapsulation. So here at first we have here uh, um, protect your data. Wherein with encapsulation, you can keep your data and codes from the eternal inheritance. So you the code or the variables or uh, the the information uh, cannot be reached by other class, at it should be within that class only for us uh, um, to get the result that we want. And then, for example, if any run programmer runner tries to change the program, they can only interact with the getter and setter method of the program. So we set the variables in a private method, so the runner should not see the whole whole. So here, we are already here in Apache Netbeans IED. So I encoded already the program that I want you to that I will be using as an example for this video. So here it is. I name the class, or I use the method, or the class uh, student profile. So here we have here the variable the variables which are we I put a private. I put it in private because we can attain, or we can obtain, or we can achieve the encapsulation by doing this. The private, we should private our variables for us, for them, to the user or the runner or programmer runner would not easily captured, or what easily access the data or the variables that we give to them. So here we have here the also, as we can see here, we have the getter, setter, and then setter and getter. Each of these variables I have here a set method and a get method. Each of them has a set and get method, wherein there's some other way that can be used for us to not just have this long code, but I prefer to use here, use to each and every one. I use a get and set method for me to just simply uh, uh, know what are the to show you that each of each each of the variables should have a get and setter method for us to access here the for us to display, and for us to display the output that we want to uh, to show when we running when we already run the program. So here here on this part, uh, we set the value of the each variables. So here it is, and as we can see, we use the set method here, and when we system print out here is uh, we should use the get method for them to access uh, uh, the details, or the profile of the student that we are trying to show to them. But if we uh, if we, as we discussed, uh, we are the programmer has a power to show to do whatever it takes. If she want just to show the name of the student and not the age, the sex, or the email, it it is can be done because we use the private method, or the private we private all the variables that we have here. So as we run it, let us see let us see and as we run this program, as you can see here as you can see here the student profile is being showed because we use it. We set the name, and we get the name and the other variables that we put here above. So that's it. I hope that you learn something, or I share something that can help you to uh, understand what is uh, Java encapsulation and its importance. Thank you and God bless.